Staying motivated every day can feel like a challenge, especially when life gets busy or stressful. But with a few simple habits, you can keep your energy and focus strong. Here are some effective tips to help you stay motivated every single day. Start your day with a purpose. Every morning, take a moment to remind yourself why you're doing what you do. Set a small goal for the day. It could be finishing a task, learning something new, or simply staying positive. A clear purpose gives you direction and energy. Break your big goals into smaller tasks. When goals feel too big, they can become overwhelming. Divide them into smaller, manageable steps. Completing each step gives you a sense of progress and keeps you motivated to continue. Celebrate small wins. Don't wait for the final result to feel proud. Celebrate the little achievements along the way. It could be checking off a to-do list item or sticking to your routine. Small wins build confidence and keep your spirits high. Surround yourself with positive energy. Motivation grows in the right environment. Try to spend time with people who inspire and encourage you. Keep your space clean and filled with things that make you feel good, like quotes, music, or photos. Take care of your body and mind. Healthy habits play a big role in staying motivated. Get enough sleep, eat healthy, and stay active. Also, take breaks when you need to. Rest isn't a waste of time, it's fuel for your motivation. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Everyone moves at their own pace. Focus on your own journey and improvement. Social media can make it easy to compare, but remember that what you see is often only the highlight reel, not the full story. Stay consistent, even on low-energy days. There will be days when motivation is low. That's normal. What matters is that you keep showing up even in small ways. One step forward is still progress. End your day with reflection. At night, take a minute to think about what you achieved. Write it down if you can. This helps you end the day with a sense of accomplishment and sets the tone for tomorrow. Staying motivated is a daily practice. With these small but powerful habits, you can keep your fire alive and make steady progress toward your goals.